Basic, brute, and simple. This workout, it's gonna test your toughness, and all you need is your body, because you can do it from the comfort of your home. See, a recent study just showed how effective full range of motion with maximum contraction without the need of an external load, in other words, weights, actually is. In short, a bodyweight technique with immaculate form can be effective at building muscle. And today, I'm gonna show you a simple at-home body workout that you can do that's just gonna test your toughness. See, this workout is not mine. It actually derives from a workout called the Murphy. This thing is a beast, and if you've ever heard of it, it's gonna test your toughness. Now, the only thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna remove the mile run at the beginning and the mile run at the end. That way, it's a complete muscle building workout that you can do at home. The workout consists of 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups, 300 squats. It's gonna kill you. Let's get started. Yo, we're just starting. I'm already getting tight. What are we, 5 minutes in?
Yeah.
Give or take. When I said this is gonna test your toughness, this is gonna test your toughness. I can feel the blood filling in my lats. So if you notice what I'm doing is I'm actually changing grip position just because this is such a taxing workout. 100 pull-ups on one go will really kill you. So what I'm doing is I'm changing positions. It helps you out a little bit, and it's kind of beneficial for you as well because it hits different body parts and different sections of your back. I'm out of breath. I think I got like 73 to go. God. It also, plan in your head, like, you don't want to kill yourself in the beginning and do a bunch of high sets because then you're going to be too tired to pull yourself up. So be smart from the get. I'll probably start doing sets of 6 and then slowly work my way through it. That's 100 down. My lats are super tight right now. We're not even halfway through. We got 200 push-ups to go. This is a good thing, because now we're gonna bring all that blood from here into our front chest. Let's go, clean reps. All the way down, all the way up. 2. Boys, this workout is no joke. If you want something tough that you can do at home, you don't even need a gym. You just need a room and a pull-up bar you can get for 30 bucks on Amazon. Try this workout. The pump that you're gonna have at the end of this, unreal. So it is freezing cold in here. My lungs are freezing. I need to go back to Florida, bro. All right, let's go.
Hey, stop being such a wimp. Take a Built Bar.
I wasn't joking, bro. This thing is gonna test your toughness. By the way, this actually is a good nutritional supplement. Yo, he wasn't kidding. This Built Bar, this makes a good post-workout meal right here. I showed you this the other day before. It's low-key what I need right now. By the way, I'm shooting this in the morning and I'm fasting, so I'm a little lightheaded. These Built Bars, damn. Now I'm not gonna wanna work out. They taste like candy. Like, if you like your regular chocolate candy bars, you're gonna like Built Bars. See, I'm out of breath. Let me enjoy this real quick. God damn. Damn. That actually tastes like coconut. Most protein bars, let's be real, they're trash. They suck. Built Bar gives you the same nutritional values of most protein bars. They're high in protein, but it tastes like candy. It's 100% real chocolate, so it's nothing artificial or anything like super synthetic with the chocolate, which is why it tastes so delicious. And it's only 130 calories, 17 grams of protein, this little bar. You can now replace your candy bars with Built Bar, and if you use code TMF20, you get 20% off, which is ridiculous. Now, the cool part with Built Bar, I'm still out of breath, but I feel like I'm gaining back conscious. Thank you, bro.
No problem.
You helped your brother out.
Oh, always.
Now the cool part with Built Bar is that it comes in different assorted flavors. So for example, this one's my personal favorite. This is the coconut one. This thing tastes delicious, but it also comes in like raspberry, triple chocolate or something like every type of flavor you can think of, Built Bar probably has. What I did the first time is I got the variety pack, which comes with everything. That way you can taste what you like, and then once you find the one you like, double down and buy boxes of that. Now I replaced almost all of my midday snacks with Built Bar because I don't have to feel guilty about it, and I can have something that's tasteful and it'll fill me up, so I'm not binge eating crap. This has real protein, which actually will help me put on muscle, unlike your conventional candy bars. If you guys want to check out Built Bar, I'm gonna have them linked down below. Again, if you use code TMF20, you're gonna get 20% off. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of used this pitch as a rest because I was about to pass out. I kind of cheated, but it's because I'm helping you out. And I'm promising you, you try that bar, you're gonna thank me later. Those things are delicious. How much you got left? Like 50?
Yeah, about that.
God dang. All right. Yo, appreciate the break. Let's go. Yo, that's that Built Bar strain. Oh my God. I told you, the pump you're gonna get, unreal. Right after that, 300 squats, right into it. Now the crazy part is, as you're doing the first two, you're gonna be praying to get to the squats. The blood is so tight up here already, you're gonna wanna hit your lower body. You know how usually you hate squats? This workout's gonna make you want to get to the squats. This is my favorite part because you can fly through these. And because you've taxed your upper body so much, you're gonna be thankful you're in your squats. That's That's how this workout's gonna humble you. It's gonna make you love legs, bro. Who loves legs, right? I can't even talk right now. It's 300. What was that, about 40 minutes?
Yeah, every day.
Boy, I'm out of breath. I'm gonna keep this short. If you think you're a tough dude, if you think you got it like that, give this workout a shot. Clock your time down below. This thing's gonna test you, bro.